Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 2 measurements. Measurements is very important everyone's day to day life. Measuring the length of rope, the distance between two places, finding the perimeter and area of plots and lands, building the structure, etc. The biggest invention by a man is the wheel. What is the shape of the wheel? It is a circle. Now, let us first topic is part of a circle. The first topic, parts of a circle. See the picture. The fixed point of the circle is called its center. O is the center of the circle and the constant distance is called its radius. OA is radius. Next, if any 2 points on a circle are joined by a line segment, then the line segment is called chord. The chord which passes through the center of a circle is called as diameter. BC is a diameter and DE is the chord. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. I will repeat again. O is the center, OA radius, BC diameter and DE is the chord of the circle. Next topic, circular arc and circular sector. See the first picture. The first one is glass bangle. It is a circular shape. The bangle indicates the circumference of the circle. It represents the circular arc. Now, the arc AB is the smaller one and arc BA is the larger one. See the second picture. It is a pizza. It is also a circular shape. Pizza indicates the area of the circle. It represents the circular sector. Here, A1 is the minor sector, A2 is the major sector. Next topic, segment. Each part of a circle which is divided by a chord is called a segment. The part which has a smaller arc is called the minor segment and the part which has a larger arc is called as the major segment. Next topic, central angle. The angle formed by a sector of a circle at its center is called the central angle. The central angle of a circle is 360 degree. The central angle of a semicircle is 360 degree by 2, 180 degree. The central angle of a quadrant of circle 360 degree by 4 equal to 90 degree. Next formula, length of the arc. Here, radius and central angle is given. Length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r unit. Next, area of the sector. A equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square unit. Another area of the sector. Here, radius and length of the arc is given. Area of the sector A equal to LR by 2 square unit. Fourth one, if a circle of a radius R unit divide into n equal sectors, length of the arc of each of the sector 1 by n into 2 pi r units. Area of each of the sectors A equal to 1 by n pi r square unit. Next, perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector P equal to L plus 2R units. Perimeter of a semicircle P pi plus 2R units. Perimeter of a quadrant circle P equal to pi by 2 plus 2R units. Example sum. First one, listen the question. A circular shaped gymnasium ring of radius 35 cm is divided into 5 equal arcs shaded with different colors. Find the length of each of the arc. What is given? Radius 35 cm and n 5. Length of each of the arc formula L equal to 1 by n into 2 pi r unit. 1 n equal to 5 into 2 pi or 35 units. 5 table 5 1 time 35 7 time. 7 into 2 14 pi centimeter. Now length of each of the arc 14 pi centimeter. Second sum. A spinner of radius 7.5 centimeter is divided into 6 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sector. What is given? Radius 7.5 centimeter and n equal to 6. Area of each of the sector. Formula A equal to 1 by n into pi r square unit. 1 divided by n 6 into pi. R oda value 7.5 into 7.5. That means r square. Now multiple 7.5 into 7.5, we get answer 56.25. 1 by 6 into pi into 56.25. Now your answer is 9.375 pi square centimeter. Now area of each of the sectors 9.375 pi square centimeter. Exercise 2.1. Listen the question. Find the area of the sectors. Given length of the arc L 48 cm. Radius 10 cm. Formula area of the sector A equal to LR by 2 square unit. Area L 48. Radius 10 by 2. 2 table 2 1 time 10 5 time. Now 48 into 5 240 centimeter square. Now area of the sector 240 centimeter square. Second sum. Find the central angle whose length of the arc 44 meter and radius 35 meter is given. L equal to 44 meter or radius equal to 35 meter. Formula length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r unit. L 44 equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi oda value 22 by 7 radius 35. 7 table 7 1 time 35 5 time. First you multiple 2 into 22 44 into 5 your answer is 220. 44 equal to theta by 360 degree into 220. 220 by 360 degree is a fraction. This number opposite go to reciprocal 360 degree by 220 into 44 equal to theta. 0 0 cancel. 22 table 1 time 44 2 time. Now 36 into 2 your answer central angle theta equal to 72 degree. Now central angle is theta equal to 72 degree.